Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 10th November 2023. In a remarkable upswing, businesses generated an unprecedented rupees 10.3 crore worth of e-way bills in October 2023, surpassing the previous record set in August at rupees 9.34 crore. The surge is attributed to festive-driven consumption and enhanced compliance practices, setting the stage for a significant boost in goods and service tax collections expected in November. E-way bills, electronic permits required for transporting goods valued at more than rupees 50,000 serve as an early indicator of demand and supply trends in the economy. This surge reflects positive macroeconomic indicators with implications expected to manifest in subsequent data. Amid mounting concerns over delinquencies, public sector lenders have assured the Finance Ministry that they do not see any systematic risks emanating from small unsecured loans as their overall exposure remains small. The Finance Ministry had asked state-run banks to review their small loan portfolios and submit a report detailing the situation. Banks said the number of these loans may be large, but the ticket sizes are not high. Gautam Adani, the chairman of Adani Group, is capitalizing on a decline in China's global ambitions, especially through projects like the Belt and Road Initiative. Adani is competing with China by developing a terminal at Colombo port in Sri Lanka, supported by over $500 million of US investment as part of India's strategy to curtail China's influence in South Asia. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs is considering expanding its investigation into MG Motor India's financial records following Registrar of Companies findings from a 2022 case. Separately, MCA might also scrutinize smartphone maker Vivo's books due to allegations of money laundering by the Enforcement Directorate. MG Motor India denied recent queries from MCA and emphasized compliance, while Vivo did not respond to inquiries. India is considering a plan to allow surpluses in special rupee wash-through accounts or SRVAs to be invested in corporate bonds in order to give a push to international trade settlement in rupees. Under existing regulations, investment from SRVAs is restricted to government securities and treasury bills. Earlier this year, Russian officials said that Moscow had accumulated billions of rupees in Indian banks that couldn't be used. Industry estimates peg this amount at $7 to $8 billion. Until July 2nd, the RBI had approved 34 applications from different Russian banks for opening SRVAs in 14 Indian commercial lenders.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.